Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G Factory Unlocked Android Cell Phone US version. The smartphone tablet 2-in-1 foldable dual screen under display camera 256GB storage, Phantom Green. About this item. 1. Expansive screen. See more and do more with the ultimate folding mobile phone screen that puts a super slim tablet right in your pocket. 2. Nearly invisible camera. Take in an incredible uninterrupted view with a true edge-to-edge viewing experience thanks to our first ever under-display camera. 3. 120Hz AMOLED 2X screen. Everything looks brilliant on this big, beautiful, clear display, offering a mesmerizing and dynamic viewing experience. 4. Multiple windows get more done. Start working smarter not harder with 3 multi-windows that allow you to schedule, edit, and build presentations in a snap, or take notes with the S Pen. 5. Hyper-fast speed. Live life in the fast lane with built-in 5G connectivity and hyper-fast processing power. 6. 2 screens. Many ways to flex them. Do more of what you love at the same time with Galaxy Flex Mode. Fold it at any angle and hold it any way you like, or go hands-free and not hold it at all. 7. Charged at the speed of life. Stay in charge, not beholden to your charger. With 25W super fast charging, you can spend less time charging and more time taking care of business. 8. Included components. Handset plus cling. Wireless communication technology. Cellular. Connector type. USB Type-C. Please check the product link given in the description. Subscribe my channel now for more latest videos. Thanks for watching.